Hi guys, so today I'm going to open this Kinder Joy. This is the just my hands are. Let me just here it is guys. I open it first. Let's open the toys. Take out this spoon and toys. Let me just stop. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's our toys. We're going to start it later when we see our video. Here's the food. So yummy. Bye guys. Hope you subscribe videos. Bye.